Traveloka Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Traveloka, a popular travel booking platform that helps you find and book flights, hotels, activities, and more. I've added links to the platform in the description, so make sure to check that out if you're interested. Traveloka is designed for travelers who want a seamless, one-stop shop for booking all aspects of their trips. It caters to a broad audience, from budget-conscious travelers looking for affordable flights to those seeking luxury hotel stays or unique experiences while traveling. Whether you're planning a business trip, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, Traveloka provides everything you need. One of the standout features of Traveloka is its user-friendly interface. From the moment you open the app or website, you'll notice how easy it is to navigate through different categories, such as flights, hotels, and activities. The platform is well organized, with clear search filters that allow you to sort by price, star rating, travel dates, and more, making it simple to tailor results to your preferences. For flights, Traveloka aggregates data from numerous airlines, providing you with a variety of options. It also displays clear pricing, including any additional fees, so you know exactly what you're paying for up front. The same goes for hotels, where you can view detailed descriptions, photos, and reviews from other travelers, making it easier to find the perfect stay. Another key feature of Traveloka is its special offers and promotions. You can often find discounts or bundled deals for flights and hotels, helping you save money on your travel. Plus, with Traveloka's 24/7 customer support, you can easily resolve any issues that arise during your booking process. In conclusion, Traveloka is a great all-in-one booking platform for travelers who want convenience, a variety of options, and great deals. Its user-friendly interface, reliable pricing, and wide range of services make it a solid choice for booking your next trip. Don't forget to check the description for the links to get started. Thanks for watching.